Esterification reaction. Esterification is nothing but formation of esters from carboxylic acids. When carboxylic acids reacts with alcohols in the presence of acids, esters are formed. This reaction is called as esterification reaction. This reaction takes place in 3 steps. If you see the mechanism, in the first step, protonation takes place. In the second step, nucleophile attacking takes place, and in the third step deprotonation takes place. By deprotonation, formation of esters takes place. Let us see the reaction. R C double bond O OH. This is carboxylic acid. When carboxylic acids reacts with alcohols in the presence of acid like H2SO4, removal of water takes place in this way. Because H2SO4 is a dehydrating agent, removal of water takes place, so that we will get R C double bond O O R dash plus H2O plus H2O. So this is ester. Okay. So formation of esters from carboxylic acids when they react with alcohols in the presence of acids is simply called as esterification reaction. Let us see the mechanism of this reaction. Mechanism. So here I am taking acetic acid as an example. CH3 C double bond O OH. This acetic acid reacts with the acid, that is H plus. H plus is electrophile, which is electron deficient, and here oxygen is electron rich. It donates electrons to H plus, so that we will get CH3 C double bond O H OH. Here oxygen donated electrons, that's why this oxygen will get positive charge. This compound is highly unstable. Why? Because oxygen is more electronegative. Second most electronegative element in the periodic table is oxygen. But in this compound, oxygen has positive charge. With positive charge, this is unstable. This is unstable compound. Okay, to get stability, one of the pi electrons are shifted to oxygen, so that CH3 C OH and OH. This pi electron is shifted from carbon, so carbocation formation takes place. This is carbocation. From here CH3 OH, this is alcohol. Alcohol is a nucleophile, so this is the second step, nucleophilic addition, or nucleophile will attack on the carbocation. Because oxygen is electron rich, it donates electrons to carbocation, so that we will get CH3 C OH, okay, and here OH. Bond is formed between oxygen and carbon, so O, and this is carbon, and here R, that is R is what? CH3 I have taken, and here H. Oxygen donated electrons, that's why oxygen gets positive charge. This is also unstable because oxygen has a positive charge. Now this compound, whatever the bond is there between oxygen and hydrogen, that is shifted to oxygen, then hydrogen is removed as H plus. So immediately this oxygen donate electrons to this H plus ion, then we will get CH3 C OH OH, and now electrons donated to hydrogen, so bond is formed between oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen donated electrons, so positive charge is formed, and here OCH3. OCH3. Now this is also unstable. Why? Because again there is a positive charge on oxygen. Clear? Now, this water molecule is eliminated. How it is possible? Whatever the electron pair is there on oxygen, that is shifted between oxygen and carbon, so that this water molecule is eliminated. Why? If this electrons are shifted between oxygen and carbon, a bond is formed between these two, so that double bond is formed. Here double bond, here 3 bonds, total 5 bonds are there. Oxygen is unstable with 5 bonds, it can form only 4 bonds. So it is unstable with 5 bonds. So immediately it loses water molecule and it forms only 4 bonds. Then we'll get CH3, C, double bond OH. See, oxygen donated electron, it gets positive charge. Next OCH3. OCH3. Removal of water molecule takes place. So minus H2 I'm writing here. So this is a compound. But here this compound is also unstable because oxygen has positive charge again. So immediately from that compound deprotonation takes place. This is the last step in this mechanism. Deprotonation means what? A removal of proton. So here the bond between oxygen and hydrogen, right, is shifted to oxygen. Then hydrogen is removed as H+. Then we'll get CH3, C double bond O, CH3 plus H plus H plus. So this is ester, CH3. This is formation of ester. Name of this compound is, while writing the name for esters, right? So this is CH3 connected to ester group. Methyl ethanoate is the name of this compound. Methyl ethanoate. It is a ester. So this is the mechanism of esterification reaction.